guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I've recorded this glam Coachella festival inspired look. So as you can see on my eyes here, I have some clouds going on. I have a few little galaxy inspired stars on my skin, a few tears, obviously because I'm not going to Coachella this year, so I have some glam teardrops going on. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to see how I recreated this look, keep on watching. So I'm just starting off my base on my eyes, and I'm taking all covered concealer in shade 12, and I'm using my flat concealer brush, which is the 22T, and now I'm taking the 27PO just to really buff it in and work it into the lid. Now moving on to the shadow, and I'm taking blush 124 and 63, and I'm using a 48SS brush, which is a nice fluffy blending brush. Now I'm taking a brighter blush in shade 66 on a fluffier brush, which is the 46SS brush. These two brushes are absolutely essential for blending of the eyes. Now I'm taking 76 gel liner on my lip brush, which is actually a 12S brush, and I'm using this to shape out my clouds on my eyes, and I'm taking my 13P just to buff out the gel while it's moist. So I'm just going in with all covered concealer in shade 12, and I'm just taking my 4SS brush and I'm just really working this into the skin. So I'm just starting to build my colour underneath, taking shade 63 in the blush on a 13P brush, and then I'm moving on to my 46SS brush with a lighter blush colour in shade 66. Just starting off by prepping my skin here using HD Peach Primer mixed with 69 Face and Body Illuminator. By mixing the two of these together, you're just going to get a really nice flawless base. Now I'm going with my fifth foundation, which is the all covered foundation in shade 16. So this is a nice medium to full coverage foundation with a satin finish. So I'm just using my 38SS brush to buff this on. I'm just taking a little bit of all covered concealer in shade 15 just to brighten onto my eyes using my 4SS brush. I'm now taking shadow 314 and actually using it as a blush on my skin using a 15 BJF brush. Now, so I'm using a new product which is launching April 25th, so it's top secrets. I can't tell you exactly what it is, but stay tuned on April 25th to find out what we are launching. Going back in with my 76 gel liner on my 12S brush, and I'm just creating some little stars and some little dots. The dots I'm using an angle brush, which is the 31T, to get that nice soft precision. Now, as festival season is coming up, I decided to take my look a little bit further, taking my blusher, so 63, 66, and one of our new products down the neck area. This just creates a little bit more drama and adds a little bit more detail to the look. So I'm just finishing off applying my 74 Soft Precision Lip Liner and my 17 HD Lip Tint Liquid Lipstick. So this is just going to be a long wearing matte lipstick. Absolutely perfect for that festival season. Enjoyed this tutorial, thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like to see some more of these tutorials, hit the subscribe button down below.